Chapter 6, Lesson 3, our objective will be, or what we're talking about is convert units of weight and mass. So that means our objective will be that you will convert customary or metric units of weight or mass from one unit of length to another by using a conversion factor or powers of 10. So same thing we've been doing, but we're going to do weight and mass. How can you use ratio reasoning to convert from one unit of weight or mass to another? So the weight of an object is measured by how heavy it is. Units of weight in the customary measurement system include ounces, pounds, and tons. So customary units of weight are 1 pound equals 16 ounces, 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So we're going to use that information to unlock this problem. So the largest pearl ever found weighed 226 ounces. What was the pearl's weight in pounds? So how are ounces and pounds related? We know that 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Will you expect the number of pounds to be greater than 222 or less than 222? Less, because every 16 ounces is only 1 pound. So convert 226 ounces to pounds. So we need to choose a conversion factor. So we're going to think, I'm converting 2 pounds from ounces. So I put 1 pound equals 16 ounces. I know that. So use the rate something pounds over something ounces. So we know it's 1 pound over 16 ounces. We're going to multiply 226 ounces by the conversion factor. So we have 226 ounces times 1 pound over 16 ounces. That means we need to put that over 1. Mark out our ounces so that we only have pounds left. 226 times 1 and over 16, so that gives us 226 over 16. 226 divided by 16 is going to be 14, with 2 out of the 16 left. So think, the fractional part of an answer can be renamed using the smaller unit. So if we have 14 pounds and 2/16 of a pound left, that can be renamed as 14 pounds and 2 ounces. So the largest pearl weighed 14 pounds, 2 ounces. The largest emerald ever found weighed 38 pounds. What is its weight in ounces? So think, I need to choose a conversion factor, and I'm converting 2 ounces from pounds. Okay, so I have 16 ounces in 1 pound, so the rate, 16 over 1, multiply 38 pounds by the conversion factor. So we're putting 38 over 1 times 16 over 1, canceling out our pounds, and we have ounces left. So 38 times 16 so 608. And we don't have to divide because 1 times 1 is 1. 608 over 1 is still 608. So the emerald weighed 608 ounces. Explain how you could convert the emerald's weight to tons. Okay, so if there are, let's see, there's 2,000 pounds in a ton, and there's 38, the emerald weighs 38 pounds. So we would multiply 38 by 1 ton over 2,000 pounds. That'd be our conversion factor. Metric units. The amount of matter in an object is called the mass. Metric units of mass are related by powers of 10. So for here we have 1,000 milligrams equals 1 gram, 100 centigrams equals 1 gram, 10 decigrams equals 1 gram, 1 decagram equals 10 grams, 1 hectogram equals 100 grams, and 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So looking at our example, Corinne caught a trout with a mass of 2,570 grams. What was the mass of the trout in centigrams, and what was the mass in kilograms? Use a conversion factor. So if I'm taking 2,570 grams to centigrams, I need to choose a conversion factor. There's 100 centigrams in 1 gram, so I'm going to use the conversion rate 100. So I'm going to use 100 centigrams for every 1 gram. Multiply 2,570 grams by the conversion factor. So I'm going to take, cancel out my grams. 2,570 times 100 just means that I'm adding 2 more zeros, which is 257,000. So the trout's mass was 257,000 centigrams. Another way, use powers of 10. So recall that the metric units are related to each other by factors of 10. So we know from kilo to hecto, decagram, deci, centi, milli. Same thing, same chart we've been using, we're just adding a different unit to the end of it. So 2,570 grams to kilograms. So let's say grams, and then to go kilo, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to move our decimal place 3 places to the left. So they show you that right here. You're going from this to this. So then now 2,570 grams we know is 2 57/100 kilograms. Okay, looking at number 1 of Sharon Show, it says 9 pounds equals how many ounces? So the conversion factor is 16 ounces in a pound. So we're going to take 9 pounds times 16 ounces, put them both over 1, so 9 times 16 is 144. And they're both over 1. 144 divided by 1 is still 144. So your answer would be 144 ounces. And number 3 says Amanda's computer weighs 56 ounces. There's 16 ounces in a pound. We're asking how many pounds, so you're going to take the 56 divided by 16, which is going to give you 3 1/2 pounds. Try the other 2 on your own. And this was chapter 6, lesson 3, and our objective was you will convert customary or metric units of weight or mass from one unit of length to another by using a conversion factor or powers of 10.